welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. And this is the second week of this ad cycle and I hope everyone is doing great. The 10 of 25 CRT we received last week, it expired on Saturday and we got a new one for this week. So remember to scan your items in the store. That way you can make good use of it and save more money. Don't forget to check the description box because I always leave a printable Google Doc in case you want to print out all the deals I shared in this video to take it to the store, or you can just screenshot them. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start with some food deals, and the first one I have will be on the Rice Krispie treats. They're on sale for $2.49 and when you buy one, you get 50 cents back. I feel like a better way to do this deal is to pick up 2 Rice Krispie treats. Both will total $4.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.98 and you get 50 cents back, making them just $3.48 or $1.74 each. This next deal, I shared it last week with the Belvedere biscuits, but this week I have the option of the Oreo cookies. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get $2 back, making them just $6 or $3 each. And the Oreo cake stars are included in this deal as well. My next food deal is on Nabisco's cookies and crackers and the sizes are 2.125 to 6.5 ounces. They're on sale for 2 for $5 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 packs of Fig Newton chewy cookies on sale for 2 for $5. Pay $5 and get $2 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have is on Carefree liners. They're on sale for buy one get one half off and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. And I'll share 2 ways to do this deal depending on what you want. For the first option, pick up 2 54-count Carefree liners priced at $4.79 each. And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.40. Both will total $7.19. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.19 and you get 2 back, making them just $3.19 or $1.60 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 93-count Carefree liners priced at $8.59 and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.30. These 2 will total $12.89. We have 2 digital coupons that will double dip. That's why I have these 2 options. Both coupons are 2 off 2 and the other one is 3 off 2. Both are attaching to this, but the first option I showed you, the 3 off 2 is not attaching to it. But with this deal, these 2 coupons will double dip and take off $5 and you pay $7.89 and get $2 back, making them just $5.89 or $2.95 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $3 back on participating facial or beauty masks, and I have 2 options for this deal as well. The first option is to pick up 2 Royal facial masks priced at $3.99 each. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. And the second option I have is on the Natural Upper Canada face mask. They are priced at $3.89. Pick up 2. Both will total $7.78. Pay that and get 3 back, making them just $4.78 or $2.39 each. This next deal I have will be a good deal to add to your 10 of 25 CRT. But if you just want to do it by itself, this will be your breakdown. It will be on the Garnier Facial Care. They on spend 15 get $6 back. And a very easy way to do this deal is to pick up the Erase It All Makeup Cleansing Balm priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 15. I have 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $12.99 and you get 6 back, making it just $6.99. But if you add it to the 10 of 25 CRT, it will come out cheaper. The next 2 deals I will share them individually, then I'll show you how to use the 10 of 25 CRT to get them cheaper. And the first deal will be on the Dove shampoo or conditioner. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 back and also priced at $5.99. Pick up 2, Both will total $12.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. And the next deal I have will be on Head and Shoulders. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they are on sale for buy one get one 40% off. They are priced at $7.99, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $4.79. Pick up two, and they will total $12.78. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $8.78 or $4.39 each. Let's use the 10 off 25 CRT to make these 4 items cheaper. These 4 will total $25.78. Use the 10 off 25 CRT to drop it down to $15.78. Pay that and you get $4 back for buying 2 Dove shampoo and conditioner, and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each Head and Shoulder. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the $4 Ibotta rebate, these 4 will end up costing just $7.76 or $1.94 each. If you still have your 3 off 2 Fruities digital coupon, you can do this deal again this week. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 coupon to drop it down to 5, and you get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. My next deal is on Dove Men Plus Care Bar Soaps. They are priced at $5.99, and they are on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $11.98. We have a 4 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $7.98, and you get 3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is on Eucerin lotion, and after this deal, I will show you how to turn my last 3 deals into a moneymaker. The 5-ounce Eucerin lotion is on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. Pick up 1, pay $4.99 and get $3 back, making it just $1.99. Using the 10 off 25 CRT, these are the 3 deals you need. 2 Men Dove Plus Care Bar Soap, priced at $5.99 each. 2 Garnier Fructis Shampoo or Conditioner, on sale for 2 for $8. And 1 5-ounce Eucerin lotion, on sale for $4.99. These 5 items will total $24.97. Use the 10 off 25 CRT, 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon, and the 4 off 2 Dove digital coupon. That will take off $17, and you pay $7.97. Get back $3 for the Garnier Fructis, $3 back for the Eucerin, $3 back for the Dove bar soap, and that's $9 back in extra care box, making all this free and $1.03 moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy any 3 hot shave oil, foaming gel wash, or sugar scrub, and you get $3 back. You can see all the items up here are priced at $11.29. Pick up 1, pay $11.29 and get $3 back, making it just $8.29. And you can also include this deal to your 10 off 25 CRT. The next deal I have is on the Raw Sugar Body Wash, on sale for $5.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. Pick up 1, pay $5.99 and get 3 back, making it just $2.99. If you need a filler item for your 10 off 25 CRT, you can pick up the Chic or Skintimate disposable razors. They are on sale for $6.99, and it's not giving back any extra care box, but we have a 3 off digital coupon that if you're doing this by itself, it will drop it down to just $3.99 only. The next deal I have is on Total Home Bar Tissue, on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. Pick up 1, pay $8.99 and get 3 back, making it just $5.99. The last deal I have in this video will be on the 36-ounce all detergent, on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, and both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.